Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the prestigious landed home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance 7772. Today, we have something truly special for you. You've been dreaming of a spacious and well-located home in Singapore, then you don't want to miss this one.
Absolutely, Max. We are here at Mugliston Park and we are about to show you a stunning corner terrace that's perfect for families looking for comfort, convenience, and a touch of luxury. This property is listed at just 4.58 million and trust us, is worth every penny. Let's start with the basics. This is a 2-story corner terrace with an impressive land size of 2,700 square feet and a built-up area of approximately 2,200 square feet. Just look at this beautiful garden area. It's perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests.
And with a frontage of 9.7 meters, this home stands out beautifully compared to the standard 8 meters. That extra space really makes a difference in how inviting the property feels.
As we step inside, you'll notice the split living and dining spaces. This layout is perfect for family gatherings or hosting friends. Plus, there's a room and bathroom on the first floor, which is super convenient for guests or elderly family members.
Going into the kitchen, we have both a dry and wet kitchen area. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or just love to whip out family meals, this space is functional and spacious. And don't forget about the backyard. It's a great spot for children to play or for you to set up a cozy outdoor dining area.
Now, let's head upstairs to check out the bedrooms. On the second floor, we have 3 well-sized bedrooms, 2 of which are ensuite. Just imagine the comfort and privacy for your family.
And with the natural light flooding in, it creates a bright and breezy ambience throughout the home. This is the perfect sanctuary after a long day.
Mugliston Park is nestled in a quiet and serene environment, offering a vibrant community vibe. Plus, with the Round Island Road nearby, you have access to a continuous 150 kilometers park connector for all your recreational activities like cycling, jogging, and more.
Not to mention, you are not far away from the Oval at Seletar Aerospace Park, which is packed with eateries and hangout spots. Everything you need is just around the corner.
For families, education is a top priority, and you'll be pleased to know that there are several primary schools within 1 kilometer, such as Fernvale Primary and Sengkang Green Primary. Within 2 kilometers, you'll find even more options like Rosyth School, Nanchao Primary, and Montfort Junior.
Shopping is a breeze too, with Bangkok Square Mall, the Seletar Mall, Greenwich V, and Hougang 1. All nearby, you have everything you need right at your fingertips.
Mugliston Park is nestled in a 3-story mixed development zone. Whether you're looking to A&A or rebuild, this property has incredible potential. With this corner terrace in a prime location, the possibilities are endless.
Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. If you want to learn more and schedule a viewing, reach out to Katherine Lee at 9367 7772. This could be the dream home you have been waiting for. AAG Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.